Welcome to Computics Technologies. Today we will talk about OpenSea, Token URI, and Contract ABI. ABI, Application Binary Interface, is a data structure that describes the interface of a smart contract, including the functions and their inputs and outputs. This is the ABI of the deployed contract from the last video. Here in the very first line, it shows that constructor type is non-payable. In second line, address has a name approved, which is also indexed. So it goes on just like that till the end. Basically, ABI shows the attributes of the functions, variables, etc. ABI is a set of rules that dictate how to interact with a smart contract. It defines the contract's functions and their parameters, and the format of data that should be passed to and from the contract. It's also important to note that the ABI is unique to each contract. It will change if the contract's code is modified and recompiled. Now we will create a token. Give the token URI and click Write. Copy and paste token URI in new tab. And this is how a token URI will look alike. As you can see, it is showing the token ID, token name, image related to token, token owner, and other attributes of the token. Now we will talk about OpenSea. OpenSea is a marketplace for buying, selling, and discovering digital assets, such as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the Ethereum blockchain. OpenSea allows users to create and manage their own digital assets, such as collectible items, digital artwork, and virtual real estate, and to trade them with other users in a decentralized and transparent way. And this is a template on OpenSea, which is showing its attributes. Tokens created in this collectible asset are all showed here. You can buy it by setting the price with quantity. Just copy and paste the contract address in search bar. And now you can see our asset we created just moments ago here on OpenSea. It is showing assets total volume, price, number of owners, and other attributes. These are the two tokens against that this owner is owned. Open any one of them. And here it is showing token name, owner. Offers that someone made to buy this contract. Here just below the picture it showed every single thing related to this token. For example, its description, about owner, details, and etc.